Hello guys, today we're gonna make some salmon to eat because I do love salmon. We're going to get your garlic. We get your garlic. If I have to make a piece, Haitian piece, because if I had a Haitian piece, I would not have to always do this garlic thing. That's one thing. It's good when you have the piece. So I'm gonna put some water. I'm gonna put some mayo. I love marinate my meat with some mayo in it. That's something that I've learned from my sister in France when I was a child. But Haitian don't do that. Okay. So I'm also going to put some pesto. I love pesto. That's the Italian basil pesto with olive oil. Yes, garlic, everything. So we have that. I'm gonna put the salmon rub. It's the one that I don't know why this thing is so hard, because I probably didn't use it. So I'm going to put some, where's my black pepper? My black pepper. I'm going to put some Maggi, not a lot. Some food seasoning. I'm gonna put some lemon juice, of course, we don't salt. If you're cooking Haitian food, you must use your hand. You have to wash your hands because you're gonna use it. I think in kitchen in general. Try to always hear it, the water running because I use my hands. So we're gonna taste it to make sure it's not salty, or if it has enough salt. You need more salt.